Hi guys, here's your first detailed look at the Nokia 9, HMD Global's upcoming flagship. With no less than 5 cameras at the rear, the Nokia 9 is expected to bring some killer photography related features. The phone might revive the iconic PureView branding and boast ZS branded optics. That penta-camera setup is likely to include a telephoto lens, a wide-angle lens, and a depth-sensing camera, among others. A 5.9-inch QHD display should be in the offing, bearing 18:9 aspect ratio and an in-display fingerprint sensor. The 3.5mm headphone jack is missing, but you do get a USB Type-C port, and since the phone sports a glass sandwich design with a metal frame in the middle, you can expect wireless charging too. Android Pie, Snapdragon 845, up to 8 gigs of RAM and waterproofing are some of the other expected features. Expect an early 2019 release. Thanks for watching.